This 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500H is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. 2WD Double Cab 158 1M quote, work truck 2WD standard pickup trucks mechanical rear axle, 4.10 ratio, requires, L96, or X60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Suspension package, standard includes 5 1mm twin tube shock absorbers and 3 3mm front stabilizer bar pickup box GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, requires, L96, or X60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Not available with CK25943 or CC25903 model. Air cleaner, high capacity cooling, external engine oil cooler cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler battery, heavy duty 720 cold cranking amps/80 amp HR, maintenance free